Then tensions grew between Austria-Hungary and Serbia. The leader of Austria, Franz Ferdinand, hated Hungarians, thought the Slavs were less than humans, and called the Serbian pigs. It was notorious for his anti-Jewish Catholic beliefs at the time. He wasn't the nicest person to be polite. So what does the Archduke of Austria do? He takes a motorcade to a highly Serbian-populated area, Bosnia. Bombs are detonated in the streets, but Ferdinand survives until tragedy struck on June 28, 1914. Archduke Ferdinand and his wife Sophia are assassinated. His last words being, Sophie, Sophie, don't die, stay alive for your children," leaving Francis Joseph I to the throne. So Austria declared war on Serbia, and Russia declares war on Austria for attacking Serbia, but since Russia declared war on Austria, Germany attacks Russia, and that's how World War I started. Possibly the worst start of the 20th century, marking a new age for physical, chemical, aerial, and psychological warfare. It started an oil war in the Middle East that still continues over 100 years later, so it's pretty significant. Later things got more complicated, and Britain and France joined the Allies, and the Ottomans joined the Central Powers. So let's fast forward a bit. It's 1916, and it's been 2 years since the war started. Francis Joseph I died, leaving Charles IV as the new emperor. Germany's at a standstill against the French, and the British are at a standstill with the Ottomans, and the Austrians are at a standstill with Russia. So Germany suggests sending German troops to Ottoman bases to go up the Caspian Sea, capture southwestern Kazakhstan, and send more troops to flank the Russians in an attempt to turn around the Brusilov offensive. Germany does capture southwestern Kazakhstan, and it does divert Russian troops, making the Brusilov offensive weaker, but it also spreads Germany quite thin, causing an eventual pullback on all fronts in 1918, ending the First World War. The war lasted 4 years and 104 days.